here we go. There's my roof, and right there's where the hole is. Well, my uncle, he just took off some of the shingles. These things are shingles, but that's where it's leaking. Gotta get this taken care of. Got a gray sky, gonna rain later. Hopefully get this done before rain. So here we are up here on the roof. So I got several broken shingles, but here's a leak, and over here's a leak. Everything else can just be patched. Here I am at the hardware store. Bought shingles and some nails. Some stuff I need to do my roof with. Stuff I didn't have. Well, I have some shingles, but they don't match what I need, so I have to get some more. Anyway, the sky's looking clear right now, but the wind sucks. Alright, here's Lowe's. We're on the way home now. Gotta get home before the rain starts coming and get this done. Ooh, wish me luck. Just got this roll of tar paper or felt paper, whatever you want to call it, out of my shed here. I gotta put this up on the roof so I can put some shingles up there too. Here I am on top of the roof. This is the damage that I need to repair. Already brought a bundle of shingles, the tar paper, a couple of hammers, some nails, and a machete to pry up some nails from under the shingles themselves. So high up here. Well, I've got the big part all stripped off. Now I just need to lay this out, cut it to size, and then I can start re-shingling right here. And then I will need to do a little part over there, because there is another hole. But anything else, such as right here, these are from a tree limbs were rubbing up here, but I can just cover these up with tar and they'll be good. For now, this is going to be it. Now I've got the tar paper all tacked down. Just need to put on some shingles. Salvage what is reusable here and open up a new pack to start this going. And this big important part will be done. Look at this, making some progress. I like this. Can't wait to get it done though. Wind's getting strong out here. Scary to stand up here. All right, got it done. Big spot fixed here, a little spot fixed up there. Now granted, there are several broken shingles, but those are not important to fix right now. I just had to fix the holes before the rain got here. The wind is blowing that way.